Hey again, my lovely people. So today on Trysta's Fashion Sense, we are going to review just a few more products. So I actually just got the Beth Bender Beauty stencils. So in this one, you've got the smoky eye. So you can see here, it's rounded and it's going to help me get my eyeshadow even on both sides. You've also got the bottom liner here to do on the bottom of your eyes to get that smoky effect on the underneath your eyes as well, which is the whole point of all of this. But then the biggest thing that I want to go over is the cat eyeliner. And in one of my previous videos when I was reviewing the Fenty products, you would have heard me say that I'm not the greatest at doing cat eyes. Well, this is meant to help. So you start off and you're using a powder to get your setup with this, and then you can go back over with whatever eyeliner you prefer. And I use the Thrive liquid eyeliner, and I'm just going to give it that definition. So we're going to go through that. We're going to just have a chat while we do all of this one. I'm not going to go over this one. You can hear my reactions and everything else. Now the eyeshadow I'm using is actually from ColourPop. This is a palette that I'm using. It was actually one of the create your own palettes that they just came out with, and I was super excited to get it in. So we're going to play with that today to get the effect that we want to. So let me go ahead and adjust this a little bit more so you can see kind of what I'm doing, and we're going to get started. Okay, so first off, you want to do your eyeshadow. So we're going to go ahead and put this smoky eye on here, and you're going to place that down here, and you want it to be where the crease of your eye is. So you can see here that my crease is a little bit lower, so I'm going to go a little bit higher just so you can get the effect that I can get the effect that I'm looking for. And then you just want to line up this here. So we're going to go ahead and start with a lighter color here, more of a neutral color. And we're gonna just blend that in, go a little bit heavier up at the top of that line there. All right, and then you just want to blend that out so you can see what I've done there. All right, so then we're gonna go with another color, and I'm just going to raise that up just a little bit just because I want to get a little bit more definition on my brow bone. And I'm going to go with that gold type color that was in the middle there, and I'm just going to put that all along the top and bring that down into the curve over by where my eyeliner is going to go. So go ahead and fill that out. All right, and then for the inside of my eye, what I want to do is I want to go with just a lighter color. So I'm going to use that light blue gray color, and I'm just going to put that in and bring that across and just blend it out to how I like it. And there you've got the effect of having a smoky eye with lighter colors. You don't always have to do big colors. You don't have to do darker colors to get the eye effect that you were looking for. You just want to nice makeup, and that's subtle. It's just there. I know through all of this, it can be confusing. It can be daunting. You got to find what works for you and what you like. You don't have to follow what everybody says, what everybody wants you to do, or everybody thinks is fashionable. You got to do what's you. So in this sense, you've got this. So we're going to go ahead and do the eyeliner now, so you guys can have a look and see what that's going to look like. And then that way you guys have the full effect, and then I will do everything and you can have a look at the finished product. So let me go ahead and line this up here. Now I am going to keep my eye open as much as I can. I know this looks really funny, but I'm going to use this gray to give this the outline that I want. Okay, so that didn't go exactly the way I wanted it to. All right, so you can see there that it's actually giving me a nice smoky effect. And then I'm just going to go over that with my eyeliner and give it a little bit more definition. All right, so this is the final look with both eyes done. And I think it turned out really good. So I would definitely recommend the Beth Bender Beauty stencils. I said they're wiggly, they're easily to rinse off, and I used both. So I used the smoky eye, and then I also used the cat eye stencil. Definitely worth it. As you can see here, it gave me a really good effect, and it goes well with the rest of my makeup. And then obviously for my eyeshadow today, I used the ColourPop Build Your Own, and it worked out beautifully. So thank you for watching Trysta's Fashion Sense. It has been great. Tag me in my videos if you need to. Subscribe down below, click like, comment. I'm also on Instagram, so go ahead and follow me at Views of Twitter if you'd like to hear more views, nails, different things that I do on there. And you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye.